Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. I don't think there's much I can say, but man, probably happy with what I did, waiting with what I want to get. This phone cannot hear a single thing. I just got an important message. Thanks, Apple. I think I'm getting on out of here, putting you up here. All right, I'm able to hear the beeps through the helmet, feel the buzz on my chest, and getting on out in wide mode. I shot my video today in ultra wide, and I'm finishing off in wide. No D-Walk today. I don't love it on the helmet. It's heavy, and the straps don't help. I don't love it on the double clamp I have. It vibrates, even with the strap I got on. It's all handheld, baby. I am Fish, and we'll catch you on many more videos to come. We'll see you on the next one.